Hi students, good morning. Today we will discuss about your monitor. We will discuss the concept about the monitor. In our last session, we had discussed about some output device like printer. I already told you that output device is categorized into two types. One is hard copy output device, another type of output device is soft copy output devices. The hard copy output devices produce the hard copy output, and that hard copy output is tangible in nature, that is, you can say touchable, and you can hold such type of output, that is touchable, you can say. And soft copy output devices produce soft copy output, and this type of soft copy output are intangible in nature. Just you can view the output, you cannot touch, hold such type of outputs. So you can say hard copy output is paper based output, and soft copy output is just a output which is visible on your monitor, which is audible from your speaker, and which is visible in your video display terminals. This kind of output devices like monitor, video display terminals, your audio response system, these are comes under soft copy output devices. So here hierarchically I will make you understand output devices is categorized into two types: hard copy output devices, hard copy output devices, and soft copy output devices, soft copy output devices. Hard copy output devices produce hard copy output, and this hard copy output are tangible in nature. You can say this is tangible, okay, means this type of output is touchable, and I can give that example is hard copy output devices. To one example, that is printer. You can say printer is one type of hard copy output devices, and printer produce some hard copy output, and that hard copy output is touchable. But soft copy output devices produce or provides us some soft copy output, and this type of soft copy output is intangible in nature. Intangible means untouchable. You can't touch such type of output. You can just view this type of output. You can just listen. The audible and visible, not touchable, this type of output is known as the soft copy output. And example, you can say the monitor is one type of example of soft copy output devices. Monitor, clear? So it is output devices. So this is the categorization of output devices. In your previous session, we already discussed about printer. We already discussed printer in details. So today's our topic is, the point of discussion in this session is that's the monitor. The monitor is one type of hard copy output devices, and it is very common type of output devices. And a monitor is available in two types. One is monochrome display monitors, and another type of monitor is, you can say, color display monitors. In monochrome display monitors, you can say that's the black and white type monitors. You cannot see any type of colors, colorful image, colorful text. You cannot see such type of monochrome monitors. Monochrome monitor supports only black and white text or black and white image. Okay, but color display monitors supports near about 256 colors. Okay, so 256 colors can be visible, you can see 256 colors at a time in case of colors display monitors. The monitor today, the point of discussion is the monitor. Monitor is categorized or classified into two types from color point of view. The monitor is one type of what? Monochrome display monitor. This monochrome display monitor support one color at a time. You can say it is just like black and white type monitor. Black and white type monitor, this monochrome display monitor. And another kind of monitor is the color display monitor. Color display monitor. And this color display monitor support 256 colors at a time. Okay, so this is the categorization of a monitor or classification of a monitor from color point of view. And there are some color graphics adapter, you can say, some color adapter. This color adapter is responsible to produce different kind of colors from your monitor. The color varies, or you can say the color of your monitor, the color of your image or your text varies with some special kind of adapter. That adapter is known as the color adapter. And here there are different kind of adapter like CGA, EGA, FGA, VGA and SVGA. These are some color adapter, and this color adapter is responsible to produce different kind of colors. And monitor you can view different kind of monitor, different kind of colors in your monitor screen on the basis on the CGA, EGA, XGA and VGA and SVGA. What is CGA? ମୁଁ ତାର full form ଲେଖୁଛି. CGA stands for Color Graphics Adapter. Color Graphics Adapter. Okay, and EGA stands for, it सब आसियो क्वेश्चन आसिबो एक मरिका क्वेश्चन पाइबो तमे परीक्षा रे, तेणु यार एब्रिविएशन गुडी मन रखिबो. enhanced graphic adapter or enhanced graphic adapter, you can say adapter. And XGA is extended graphics array adapter VGA stands for video graphics array adapter and SVGA stands for super VGA and that VGA is video graphics array adapter. You can say SVGA is super video graphics array adapter. These adapter produce different kind of, or this adapter supports numbers of colors. You can say the monitor displays the number of colors, and that number of colors varies with this kind of adapter. And CGA supports 4 color. It supports 4 color, and SVGA supports 16 million colors. It supports 16 million colors. You can say 160 lakh number of colors. In case of VGA produce or supports this number of एतिकटा 160 लाख कलर प्रोड्यूस करुच्ची किए SVGA. तो बेसिस ऑन दिस कलर अडाप्टर योर मॉनिटर इज कलरफुल. You can see the colorful videos, colorful text, image, such type of things basis on this color adapter. And in this session we will be familiar with some terms like pixels. Pixel is as the pixel element. What is picture element? Pixel, P-I-X-E-L, that the picture element. And what is pixel? Pixel is the number of dots which are configured vertically or horizontally. Suppose in your monitor there are number of dots this type of horizontal manner. This number of dots are designed or ताको आम ये सजेक रखी था number of dots. vertical भी किसी dots सब रही था. Example, what a common type of resolution is 800-600. तो एठी से कहूची the pixel कौन ना pixel, each dot is known as a pixel, and collection of these dots creates a image or text, whatever may be. In your monitor this type of resolutions you can find, or you can say that the pixel is the just only the dots. Okay, तो ये resolution out the term आम पाउचंती. तो pixel आम कह pixel is a dot. Pixel is a dot on our monitor. This is pixel. Pixel is just a dot on our monitor, and some number of dots are configured horizontally and vertically. This is horizontal, this is vertically in our monitor screen, and this is known as the pixel. Okay, and resolution कहले कौन बोझाए? The resolution, how many number of dots are configured in your screen. that the resolution. Another term you would term is pixel, out hela resolution. Resolution. तो resolution कहले कौन बुझाए? Number of dots. Number of dots. Your screen contains a number of dots in vertical and horizontal manner, and this is known as the resolution. And your image will be sharper. Your image will be your clarity of your image will be improved on the basis of this resolutions. High resolution जदि रोची आमर clarity good क्वालिटी बा क्लारिटी आम पिक्चर पाँच से पिक्चर बहुत शार्प रो लो रिजोल्यूशन ले से पिक्चर रो क्लारिटी बा क्वालिटी आम खराब रो तो रिजोल्यूशंस कहले कौन बुझाए नंबर ऑफ पिक्सेल्स पिक्सेल कहले कौन बुझाए ना डॉट्स एंड रिजोल्यूशन इज द नंबर ऑफ पिक्सेल्स व्हिच आर डिजाइन्ड हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल इन योर स्क्रीन दैट इज द रिजोल्यूशंस आई मीन कॉमन टाइप ऑफ रिजोल्यूशंस इज 800 plus 600 अर्थात दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल 68 रो अच्छी एंड 66 कलम रही 66 कलम तो जीटा आसो नंबर्स ताको गोटे बेस कर रिजोल्यूशन अनदर काइंड ऑफ रिजोल्यूशन 1024 into 768 अर्थात हॉरिजॉन्टली 1024 dots you can find horizontally and vertically in one column you can find 768 dots and in one row you can find 1024 dots and this is one type of resolutions and this is one type of resolutions also and your clarity of a picture the sharpness of a picture depends upon this resolutions. High resolution produce you by high resolution displays a good clarity of picture and a low resolutions displays a low grade picture you can say. तो मुझे पूर्व क्लास बता करी कौन आम सपोज गोटे सर्कल ड्र करने को चाहूँगी तो मुझे गोटे सर्कलटे जो ड्र करुच्ची मु डट्स गुड़ी को किछिटा डट्र कलेक्शन गोटे सर्कल ड्र करुच्ची यार क्लारिटी जहाँ रही आम डट्स बढ़े दौरान निश्चित रूप यार क्लारिटीटा बेटर रही यार शार्पनेस बेटर रही ओके तो नंबर ऑफ डट्स आम जो बढ़ाऊँ आम ये जो सर्कल शार्पनेसटा बेटर रोच द शार्पनेस और क्लारिटी ऑफ योर इमेज डिपेंड्स अपॉन द व्हाट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द रिजोल्यूशन एंड रिजोल्यूशन व्हाट इज द रिजोल्यूशन ना रिजोल्यूशन इज द नंबर ऑफ डट्स which is displayed in your screen or number of dots which are configured in your screen in horizontal and vertical manner that is the resolutions and another is refresh rate by ame koi pariya dot pitch another term is dot pitch and dot pitch is a diagonal distance between two dots suppose it is a here is a dot and here is a dot and in this dot there is some distance and here distance measured in millimeter okay so the distance between two dots in your monitor screen is known as the dot pitch and a dot pitch is one type of parameter to improve the clarity of your image. One parameter I already told you the resolution of your screen. Second parameter of clarity of your image depends on the dot pitch. Dot pitch is one type of parameter and dot pitch is known as the distance between two dots. This is the dot pitch. And a third parameter which improves the clarity of your image is that refresh rate. Refresh rate. Refresh, what do you mean by the refresh rate? Students, here some pixels are designed like this. Okay, अनेक पिक्सल अच्छी या भितर तो the pixels are designed like this and these pixels needs to be refreshed. It means that some light is passed into that monitor screen and this pixels or this dots or you can say your resolution these dots should be refreshed so many times in a fraction of second or in a second. The number of refreshness of this dots is known as the refresh rate, and that refreshness improves the glowing of that dots. The dots गुड़ी जो ग्लो होती ब्राइटनेस जो आसूसी से आम कहते रिफ्रेश रेट. तो रिफ्रेश यार मीनिंगटा हूँ कि मझे मझे कौन गोटे इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नाल या भर को ट्रांसफर हो दैट लाइट फॉर्म रे से इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नाल गुड़िक ये डट गुड़ी को रिफ्रेश करुवे. ये डट गुड़िक गोटे सेकेंड जिते अधिक थर रिफ्रेश होते ब्राइटनेस से अधिक बाहर अधिक उज्जवल देखा फल आम स्क्रीन हाई डेफिनेशन जो स्क्रीन गुड़े आम पाँच हाई डेफिनेशन स्क्रीन पिक्सल गुड़िक गोटे सेकेंड रे मेनी टाइम्स रिफ्रेश होती दैट इज नोन एज द रिफ्रेश रेट्स. So students, the clarity of the or the sharpness of the monitor screen or your image depends on the three parameters. One is resolution, another is dot pitch, another is refresh rate. Clear? And monitor available in generally two technologies, based on the two technologies. One is the CRT monitor, another is LCD monitor. I will give the note here. One is CRT monitor, that is cathode ray tube. This is CRT monitor. Another is LCD monitor, that is liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. In CRT tube, cathode ray tube, आम गोटे पिक्चर ट्यूब थाए टीवी तुम कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर रे पछोट गोटे पिक्चर ट्यूब थाए जो पिक्चर ट्यूब रे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन गन थाए. इलेक्ट्रॉन सब शूट करे से इलेक्ट्रॉन गुड़िक जाती गलापर से डिफरेंट कलर्स को सब प्रोड्यूस करती. तार मेकानिज्म टी अलग अच्छी. दैट इज द CRT. खाली आम जानी द CRT कैथोड रे ट्यूब इज वन टाइप ऑफ मॉनिटर एंड LCD लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले मॉनिटर. दुईटी ग्लास अच्छी पोलराइज अवस्था दुईटा ग्लास थाए काच दुईटा थाए मझे गोटे लिक्विड क्रिस्टाल्स मेटेरियल्स रही थाए जो गुड़िक इलेक्ट्रिक एमिनेट करथांती. से आम कौन करते LCD से टेक्नोलोजी उपरे बेस कर LCD. तो LCD इज द लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले. ओके. तो नोट दूची आउटपुट सॉफ्ट कॉपी आउटपुट सॉफ्ट कॉपी आउटपुट सॉफ्ट कॉपी आउटपुट. Soft copy output, soft copy output are intangible in nature. Intangible in nature. This output or this type of output can be editable, stored and sent to other users via E device, E devices. Okay. So because soft copy outputs are intangible in nature, and this type of output can be editable, stored and sent to other users via e-devices. Means soft copy output can be editable, means when user requires to do some correction on this output, then it is soft copy output allows us to make some corrections on it, and it can be stored in your memory, and soft copy output can be sent to other users via some electronic devices in a fraction of second. On your few seconds you can send this type of output to other users across the world, and this is the advantage of soft copy output. This is the and soft copy output devices, soft copy output or soft copy output devices are the devices, this kind of devices produce soft copy output, soft copy output devices. So note करना हो, the output devices which produce soft copy output what are known as soft copy output devices. Example: monitor, video display, terminal, audio response system. These are some examples of soft copy output devices: monitor, video display terminals, audio response systems. These are the soft copy output devices. Okay. Next, we will go to the monitor. Monitor is very common type of soft copy output devices. The monitor is very common type of soft copy output devices, and monitor is provided along with computers to view the displayed result. displayed output, you can say output on the screen, The monitor is provided along with computers to view the displayed output on the screen, and monitor is classified into two types. Monitor is classified into two types. One, monochrome display monitor, Another type is color display monitor, monitor. Then monochrome display monitor support one color at a time, that is black and white type monitor, and second type is color display monitor, supports (256) colors at a time. Clear? This is the difference between monochrome display monitor and a color display monitor. Next, the number of colors varies. The number of colors varies with some kind of color adapter. There are different kind of color adapters are available, like there are different kind of color adapters are available. like CGA, EGA, XGA, VGA and SVG. मुझे यार सब फुल फॉर्म गुड़िया लिखी देती किसम पूर्व टिपि नब ओके एंड हियर आउ गोटे पॉइंट ये रखिदे CGA supports 4 colors while SVGA supports 16 million colors. Clear? Next, one thing, another point, the number of dots are configured in horizontal and vertical manner. Horizontal and vertical manner in your screen on the monitor screen and monitor screen which is known as resolution. Each dots are known as pixel, that is picture element. The clarity of the picture, the clarity of the image, depends on three parameters. That is resolution, on the screen, second type dot pitch, and third one refresh rate. These are three parameters. On this parameter your clarity of image depends. that the resolution on the screen and a dot pitch and a refresh rate. The resolution उपरे लिखिबे resolution the numbers of dots on the monitor screen is known as resolution. Very common type of resolutions are very common type of resolution are 800 into 600 and 124 into 768. 800, 600 means that on your screen there are 800 row and 600 columns, and in this case there are 1024 number of rows and 768 number of columns. ये तुम जानी परियो केते डॉट्स लागे जो उटे स्क्रीन ले. This is the resolution and dot pitch the diagonal distance between two dots is known as dot pitch. देखो जते हाई रिजोल्यूशन हबो मोर रिजोल्यूशंस गिव यू द मोर शार्पर इमेज and less dot pitch also give you more sharper image. For more sharper image we need more resolution and a less dot pitch. गोटे डॉट आ गोटे डॉट भितर जति डिस्टेंस टाको जते हमें कमई दबा सेते पिक्चर क्लैरिटी बढ़ी जिवो ताले लेस डॉट pitch and more resolutions required to produce a good picture. Okay, last one is refresh rate. That is refresh rate. Refresh rate defines the number of freshness per second. Refresh rate defines the number of freshness per second of all the pixel on the screen. and the screen to improve or to glow the brightness, to glow their brightness. Clear? ताले लास्ट मु लिखुची नोट आम ये आउ गोटे पॉइंट दे पारिया फॉर शार्पर इमेज मोर रिजोल्यूशंस बा हाई रिजोल्यूशंस आम कह पारिया मोर रिजोल्यूशंस बा हाई रिजोल्यूशन लिखा हाई रिजोल्यूशन less dot pitch and more refresh rate required. Refresh rate required. जो तीन टा पैरामीटर आम कहले गोटे रिजोल्यूशन गोटे डॉट पिच आ गोटे रिफ्रेश रेट हाई रिजोल्यूशन लेस डॉट पिच एंड मोर रिफ्रेश रेट प्रोड्यूस ए बेटर इमेज ए गुड इमेज. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर मॉनिटर स्टूडेंट्स. with these sessions I complete your chapter 1 that is the hardware concept. आउ जहाँ जमी रही प्रायतः ना 95% कभर हो गला तुम चैप्टर 1 ले जहाँ जमी रही यू गो थ्रू दी बुक्स एंड इफ यू गट सम डाउट्स देन मेक मी नो अबाउट इट. ओके पर आम से बाबद डिस्कसन करवा. ये नेक्स्ट सेशन रो आम पढ़ेगा द सॉफ्टवेयर कॉन्सेप्ट द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर कहले कौन बुझ द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम BIOS, special purpose software, all type of software concept will be discussed in your next sessions. Thank you.